In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can simply create cutouts and remove material in Tinkercad. So I'm going to erase my design right here, and I want to simply make an object that has some cutouts on its design. So I'm going to make this shape bigger, and then I'm going to insert another one, which is going to be a hole right here. Now basically I want to make a cutout of some small squares into my whole rectangle right here. To do that, you want to simply select your design. Maybe we are trying to create a toy that inserts size into our design right here. So first things first, we have this one, which is going to be square. I'm going to lower it down onto my design, and then you simply want to highlight them together and click on the union group. But before I do that, I want to simply add more cutouts. So maybe I want to add this specific shape right here, which is once again matches or game insertion device. From there, I'm going to add another one, which is going to be circle. And so, by the way, before we proceed, you can also make sure to change this into the whole category. Right after highlighting your cutouts and adjusting this the way you want to. So I'm going to add another one just for this video. You can simply highlight them all together, and then you want to click on the union group button. This will then create the cutouts as we see right here. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.